Father's kingdom.
Cinema going experience.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I went ahead and I got my lashes refilled by my lash tech T Beauty Studio. So you can go ahead and check her out on Instagram. She did an amazing job. As you can see, she ate and leave no crumbs. So today I have a few stuff that I'm gonna do. So I'm going to leave some clips on when I was getting my refill done. So I'm back home now to go to the movies. So I came to grab my jacket to go to the movies because in the movies normally cold. And I'm gonna get something to eat before. Yes, because popcorn alone I go do it. So I'm gonna get some food first. And then I'm gonna grab some wrapping papers because I have some gifts to wrap. Yeah, I have some gifts to wrap. How's a wrap gift though? Yeah, I have some gifts to wrap. And then I'm gonna head to the movie. And then so I'm gonna watch Novocaine in 4DX. When they share them my move and stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna add some clips in there so you guys can see it. I'm not gonna spoil the movie for whoever wants to go and watch it doing it. I'm not gonna spoil that. But I'm gonna add some clips so you can see what's going on. And I think that's basically it. So you guys are gonna see everything that's going on. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So guys, please remember to watch the video. Watch the video right throughout. Please remember to like the video. No. Like it no. Wait until you finish watching the video, Like it no. Please remember to also comment, subscribe, of course. Alright, so guys, I'll see you in the video. Alright? Enjoy.
Even hogy iskola végét.
Cinema going experience.